premium on life connotes no meaning to some heartless individuals who takes lives of others for financial or material gain. Life is said to be sacred, given solely and freely by God. Thus one must not take what one cannot give. It is perplexing to know that most of the instruments of death used to perpetrate this despicable act of murder by hoodlums in our society are those acquired by some unscrupulous politicians and handed over to their tout to wreak havoc in the society. We bring you the story of Dotun Shobunkola, an alleged infamous gang leader who confessed to have single-handedly killed 3 members of an arch-rival gang in Owode, Ogun State, for the sheer purpose of who reigns supreme in the community. Dotun claims to be a first-timer in the act of murder. The question is, how did Dotun single-handedly murder 3 armed men as a supposed first-timer? How can a family man like Dotun kill 3 men without feeling penitence? What happened to sanctity of human lives in Dotun's case?
My name is Dotun Shobunkola.
Which kind of work you dey do?
Land agent.
Wetin make police arrest you?
And one day, I'm at one party from Odegba. So, fighting happened at that party. From then, I'm coming there, go station report. After I report, somebody make me on phone say the one gang they are calling the strong mopo can't destroy my office. So, when I go there, I even go there particular. I go hide myself, call my boys in again. So as I then arrange my boys,
Who be your boys? This one's way sit down here.
Yeah, one of Murialata calling me on phone. They are shouting me that if I'm ready to fight or I'm capable to fight, me I come meet at garage. So I go there immediately. So I go fight there. So when I was fighting, 3 people dead. After then, I make one of my boys say me go drop that dead body for the banana place. That day, I come out. I run from Ode. I just live at my village for some time. When I come out there, I come buy something for Lagos here. Murialata wife see me. Come call police to come arrest me there.
You say una go party that very day.
Yeah.
Na for night una do the party.
Afternoon party. When I come out for party, and around 9 to 10.
So now people wey come the party make you vex. Now you can go call your gang, make your gang go fight them back.
Now one boy, just my friend, street brother. Now the leader gang of Strong Mopo shook and that person for him back. So they can't show me say so they can't shoot at back yo. So I say may you go station to go report. I wanna come out for station, follow it go to hospital. So the person just holler me say that gang may you shoot person for him back. Come meet me at house oh. Broke my house, do anything.
So the person wey then carry go hospital, wetin do that wey go hospital, he die?
Before you carry that person go hospital, you ready or die. When I see it at street on the street, I go look and whether he die or no die, but I see say he die. Maybe say hospital that just kill him for. I just kill him for battlefield.
Na you kill him?
Yes.
How many of them you kill?
3.
I use the gun shoot the 3 of them die.
But na me dey for front. And they shoot me. You fire me, fire you, fire me, fire you. So na me kill.
Wetin you use to kill those 3 people wey die?
Gun.
Where you see the gun wey una take use kill them?
Out of 3 people die. Now one of my friend dey with them. They are calling Sheko Kainde. Now he bought it for me.
The 3 people wey die, wetin be their names? Those people una kill that day, you know their names?
I know. Kainde, Sheko, and Murialata. The other person, I even know itself. I don't know why he follow that gang come fight with us.
The people wey una kill, who them be?
They are trying to kill me because I don't know what I'm doing for that gang. He just hate me. Anywhere he just see me, just Allah, just try to fight me. As a day, I don't even fight for everybody in this our village. So I just want to go jejely, no be say I be fight everybody, fight party, fight. I don't want to. I don't do it in my life. But that person wey he die, na him make me frustrated fight on that day.
Where this thing happen na for Lagos here?
Ogun State.
That night wey you and your gang dey fight those people, come kill them, anybody dey around or na just say na only una group and those people dey?
Muralata group and my group, and they face us. I don't even see anybody name me.
Where una go meet? Na inside bush una go fight that fight?
Garage.
Who dey for garage that night?
Before I reach garage, na the Muralata gang, they don beat all the garage shop. With the person who get shop for garage, they don beat am. Maybe they close the shop, they don allow close.
Na Muralata say make you come garage come meet them make una fight, or na you just go carry your gang go garage go fight?
Na Muralata call me, say make you come meet at the garage after he scatter my office.
As him call you make una come garage come fight, why you no go tell police say see wetin wan happen? Because as una dey fight, person fit die along the line.
That one na mistake.
This thing wey you do now, how you feel?
The thing I do, I even do it of my life. I just pray to God to see me on favor on that issue, because I even kill person on my life.
Na the first time wey you dey kill, or you don ever kill before?
I even kill at all. This is the first time. Yeah, okay.
You dey free for this thing wey you do now, you go back go dey do this kind thing again with your gang dem?
The thing I house see for this place, I don't know where my case dey go, but the thing I house see for this place, I even do anything gang against sef.
Wetin be your name?
Edowo Gutayo.
Na true say una go fight kill person with gun?
Na true.
Okay, wetin which part you play? Na you shoot one of them?
No, I no shoot anybody.
So wetin you do?
Just follow them.
How many of una follow oga go meet those people for garage?
Na 10 people sha.
One na reach garage, wetin na carry go garage that day?
Well, only this one carry gun. One boy carry na only 2 gun carry.
Wetin you carry?
Me, I no carry anything, just only one plywood.
Wetin you take the plywood do when you reach garage?
I see that people dey drop. I throw away that thing. I run comot.
Your oga talk say una kill 3 people that day, na true?
Na true.
So as una kill the 3 people, wetin oga tell una make una do with the dead body?
No be me tell us, na that boy na him tell us say na carry am.
When dem carry am go for where?
Go throw away for inside banana.
This thing una do now, na kill person, how you feel?
Bad o. He pay me sef.
Wetin be your name?
My name is Kazim Hussein.
Dotu talk say na him call all of una make una carry the dead body go throw inside bush.
No, it happen. I'm not there among, but then call one 2 boys. So the time where I tell them say I no there among, so they come to tell me say they don't mention my name. Say if I no tell them say I did there, then would they beat me.
Follow them carry the dead body go throw inside bush?
I no follow them, but after they mention my name, I thought say I did there. So after that thing happen, so Lopi, they call me and one boy, then they call Ibrahim. So say me they carry the dead body go try for the husband.
Why you come the line to say you go house, whereas now you and another person Dotu say make una carry the dead body go put for bush?
No be say I lie. I fear catch me.
This thing wey you do, how you dey feel?
I no feel well.